Hello sir, I'm Clarence J.G. Cagulang. Annex 3 Regulation 5. Regulation for the prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried by sea in package form. Harmful substances shall be properly stored and secured so as to minimize the hazards to the marine environment without impairing the safety of the ship and persons on board. Regulation 6 Quantity Limitations. Certain harmful substances may, for sound scientific and technical reasons, need to be prohibited for carriage or be limited as to the quantity which may be carried aboard in any one ship. In limiting the quantity, due consideration shall be given to size, construction, and equipment of the ship, as well as the packaging and the internet nature of the substances. Regulation 7. Jettisoning of harmful substances carried package form shall be prohibited except where necessary for the purpose of securing the safety of the ship or saving life at sea. Subject to the provisions of the present conventions, appropriate measures based on the physical, chemical, and biological properties of harmful substances shall be taken to regulate the washing of leakages overboard, provided that compliance with such measures would not impair the safety of the ship and persons on board. Regulation 8. A shipment in a port of another party, subject to inspection by officers duly authorized by such party concerning operational requirements under this annex where there are clear grounds for believing that the master of crew are not familiar with essential shipboard procedures relating to prevention of pollution by harmful substances. In those circumstances given in paragraph of this regulation, the party shall take such step as will ensure that the ship shall not sail until the situation has been brought to order in accordance with the requirements of this annex. Procedures relating to the port state control prescribed in article of the present convention shall apply to this regulation. Nothing in this regulation shall be constructed to limit the rights and obligation of a party carrying out control over operational requirements especially provided for in present conventions. Refer to the procedures for port state control adopted by the organization by Resolution A787-19 and amended by 888221 and as may be further amended.